What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. How y'all been doing? Thank y'all for all y'all support and the drive y'all been giving me lately. We almost to the top. We almost there. Today I got a 2010 Hyundai Genesis. It's the 2.0 turbo. And we're gonna be fixing this little turbo line that's leaking. Let me see if I can show you guys where it's at. Where is it at? Where is it at? Okay, let me just come through here. Line's right there. That's one. It goes to the oil filter housing to the top of it, all the way to the top of the car, on top of the turbo. So, yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing today. And first thing I'm gonna do, I already took the top apart, but I'm gonna just go ahead and show you guys from the bottom what to do from the bottom, because the bottom is a little bit more congested, kind of, but not really. Still easy. So we're gonna get right into it. All you need is a 17 wrench and a 17 socket. And where my 17 wrench went? Oh. So we got our 17 wrench. Gonna come to the side right here. I don't know if this is going the right way or not. Right there. Don't tell me the bottom not a 17, the top is. Oh, okay. By the way, guys, don't ever do this. If you're ever unloosening a bolt, don't ever use this open end. Always use the closed end first. Unless you're a pro like me, then you can do that. There's the oil. That's my drain bucket. God damn, I missed the whole thing. Alrighty. I guess it would have been a better idea to just drain this oil filter. That's exactly what's. So yeah, just a heads up, you guys. Make sure that you take the oil filter out first before doing this, because it's full of oil. Let's get the other drain bucket. And it's tight again. All right, so like I said, I already did the top, so it should just come out, hopefully. Yeah, there it is. And this one was leaking out of the braided part for some awkward reason. Leaking out of here. So yeah, we changed that baby. All right, back to the top. I'm gonna go to the top. I got to do on the top. This is the new one. I got this from the dealership. Only person that had it. Looks pretty cool. So here's the top part of the turbo that you got to see. The top part goes right there. And you need those crush washers, so make sure that you keep those crush washers. Don't throw them away. They're supposed to come with new ones. This one only came with one. I don't know why. I'm not gonna tighten it completely yet until I get the bottom screw on first. So back up we go. Okay, we're back to the bottom. Guys, when you work, keep your workspace clean. Unlike me, I clean up after the fact, but sometimes it's good to clean up as you go. The oil just keep dropping in my face, dropping in my beard. Sick of it. Okay, there we go. Okay, don't forget both washers, both crush washers. One goes on one side of the screw, one goes on the other. Now, why is this so much harder putting back on? Because there is no space. This is called a crush washer for a reason, guys. You gotta tighten it until it crushes. There we go. Nah, let me clean up my work area real quick down here. What he used to say? He always used to say that shit.
My
Right
homeboy
there.
that go to my school.
Right there.
He can check shit too.
For real?
Yeah.
You talking like that?
Yeah.
Hey man, can I have some of that right there? All right, so the top is tight. I'll spray it down a little bit. The top really wasn't that bad. The bottom is where the leakage really was. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start it up because with this one, pretty much what the issue was is it didn't leak until the car was running. Look, you can see the puddles, look. As the car running, nothing but drips. It just keeps dripping. So I'm gonna start it up. And let it up and see if we still have some dripping down there. Let's go up. Oh yeah, that's perfect. No more dripping. Spray it down. Back up a little bit so you don't get camera. Yeah, I made it. All right, no dripping. Let's let it back down. Perfect. Alright, so I'm going to conclude the video there today, guys. Thank you all for watching. But that's how you do a oil feed line on a 2010 Hyundai Genesis 2.0 Turbo. We're going to end it there. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know in the comment section what you want to see next, and I'll see y'all again next time.
Boy.